Hey guys, myself Tanisha. I'm a student of an offline batch in Harman Vihar. And first of all, a very happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers of our Success Mantra community. On this very special occasion, I would like to express my gratitude to three of my favorites. First one is Ankit sir, the faculty of reasoning. Such a dynamic teacher, the way he teaches, the strategies he gives us, everything I really love about that and admire him for that. Then comes Abhay sir, the faculty of CA, a very hardworking man, and I love the way he motivates. I love the way he makes us understand our own worth. I really love that about him. It makes us feel very inclusive in this era of competition. Then comes last but not the least, Siddhi ma'am, the faculty of legal and as well as the academic head. So very good academic head indeed. Always take our suggestions in consideration and works upon that. Again, I would like to express my greatest gratitude to all the teachers. Manu sir for maths, Ravi sir for English, Ankit Jha sir for static, and everyone, the counselors, and all Success Mantra community. So a very happy Teachers' Day and enjoy your day.
A very happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers out there, and especially the Success Mantra community who's helping us in blooming our futures. So, not just as a student but as a CLAT aspirant too, my special vote of appreciation goes to our current affairs faculty, Abhay sir. So, he's not just a teacher but a mentor, a guide, and beyond that, a person who puts n number of efforts just for the sake of our futures. Moreover, I would also like to express my gratitude towards him and his hard work, of course, because the way he makes newspaper analysis every single day, solving our doubts on a daily basis, taking extra classes, and making mock analysis. And especially at times when we as students feel like we are lacking behind somewhere or that we are not doing well, he every time cheers us up. Furthermore, as a teacher, he taught us how to cope up with times when nothing is going right and to admire every single phase of this journey, be it the preparation phase or the achievement or even the failures. So, to wrap up, he is absolutely a gem of a teacher a student can ever deserve. And lastly, I would also like to thank the whole Success Mantra community, not just the academic faculty but the team who makes our monthly magazines, mocks, timetables, etc. Because due to them and their hard work, we and the parents would be able to celebrate a proud moment in the near future. So thank you everyone and a very happy Teachers' Day.
Good morning all the teachers. Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers. एज ऑफ फेवरेट मेरे कोई भी टीचर्स फेवरेट नहीं है, मेरे सारे ही टीचर्स फेवरेट हैं. हमारे जीके वाले सर अभय सर, हमारे अंकित झा सर स्टैटिक जीके वाले सर, हमारे मैथ्स के सर सिद्धि मैम एंड हमारे रीजनिंग वाले सर, मेरे सारे टीचर्स ही फेवरेट है क्योंकि सबकी अलग अलग क्वालिटीज़ हैं. मेरे लिए ऐसा कोई नहीं है कि मेरे लिए एक फेवरेट है, मेरे लिए सारे ही फेवरेट हैं क्योंकि सब टीचर्स हमारे लिए मेहनत करते हैं, फिर हम भी मेहनत कर रहे हैं. तो एज ऑफ मेरा कोई मुझे फेवरेट नहीं, मेरे सारे ही टीचर्स फेवरेट हैं. At last, happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Happy Teachers' Day to each and every faculty member and supportive staff at Success Mantra. Today, on the occasion of Teachers' Day, I would not only like to show my appreciation and gratitude towards the teachers, but also towards the people in the back-end team that provide us with all the required study material and help in the smooth execution of our classes and our weekly exams. Even though every teacher at Success Mantra is exceptionally good at whatever they teach, but still I would like to show my special vote of thanks and appreciation to our logical reasoning faculty, Ankit Sharma sir. He is an amazing teacher, and more than that, he is an incredible mentor. He always goes beyond his limits to help every student. And lastly, a very very happy Teachers' Day to everyone that has and will continue to shape our future.
Hi everyone, I am Shreya Yadav from Pitapura branch. First of all, happy Teachers' Day to all of my mentors. I respect all teachers' efforts, but today just I want to speak about one of my most favorite teachers, Miss Nancy Thakkar, who has most iconic, cheerful and charming personality I have ever seen. I came to know after knowing you how to deal with bad phases and negative thoughts wandering in trust from every layer. You made me believe in myself again that I can achieve anything. I can achieve every goal that I want in my life. Always I see you just side your comfort zone and try to do best thing for us and for Success Mantra. Thank you, ma'am, for doing all these things. I am very, very grateful to have a teacher like you. You are as much important to me as a mother is important to her child. Through this video, I just want to try to convey you that how big of positive impact you have made in my life. It takes big hearts to sharp little minds. Thank you once again. Happy Teachers Day to all of my teachers.
Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers in Success Mantra. I would like to express my gratitude to Chitra ma'am for her exceptional leadership and dedication, to Neha ma'am for being there always to resolve our problems anytime when we need her, to Vivek sir for creating a supportive learning environment in class and being a very good mentor, being very interactive with us, not making us feel hesitant to ask any problem. Then Siddhi ma'am, Abhay sir for always being there to inspire us whenever we need them, to motivate us whenever we are lacking behind, to be there whenever we need them. Then to Manu sir, maths without you was never easy, and without your tips I could never imagine maths would be easy.
Today, on the occasion of Teachers Day, I would like to share my feelings to all the faculty members and supporting team of Success Mantra. Thank you for being an amazing teacher and mentor. Your guidance and support have made a big difference in our life. Your patience, teaching and inspiration guide us very well. You have helped us to grow and learn in many ways that goes beyond the classroom. We appreciate everything you do. We wish you a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you for always being there and support us.
A very happy Teachers Day to all my teachers who work tirelessly for us. जहाँ तक बेस्ट टीचर का सवाल है, सो आई वुड नेम ऑल ऑफ यू बिकॉज आई डोंट फाइंड एनी क्राइटेरिया फॉर जजिंग एंड सबका अपना अपना तरीका है पढ़ाने का, हमें समझाने का और बताने का कि कौन कितने पानी में है. कोई हंसते हंसते बताता है, कोई रियलिटी चेक देके बताता है, बट सब अपनी अपनी जगह पे बेस्ट है एंड आई डोंट फाइंड एनी अदर better alternative for any of my teachers in their field. So all are my favorite teachers because that is what the truth is. Again, a very happy Teachers Day and a hearty thanks for all your efforts. Thank you.
Hi, I am Kunal. I wish a happy Teachers Day to all my mentors. This video is for my treasured teacher Manushree ma'am, who teaches us legal reasoning. She always motivating us. The way she teaches us is very nice, and her guidance and enlightenment ignite our young mind. Thank you and happy Teachers Day.
Hey everyone, happy Teachers Day. Just wanted to take a moment to thank the amazing faculty of Success Mantra. You all have been a great support in our journey, guiding us with so much dedication and patience. Special thanks to Abhay sir for always pushing us to do our best and making sure we never gave up. We are truly thankful and grateful for everything you have done for us. Thank you so much.
On this Teachers Day, I want to extend my sincere gratitude to all the incredible mentors. Your dedication, insight and guidance have greatly enriched my learning experience. I appreciate the wisdom you all shared along the way and value the opportunity I have had to learn under your mentorship. I would like to particularly acknowledge the teachers who have influenced my career journey. Siddhi ma'am and Amrit sir, thank you for your unwavering support and guidance. Lastly, wishing you all a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Thank you for being educational rockstar for me. My favorite teacher is Manushree ma'am. Thank you for solving all my doubts and grateful of your endless patience and wisdom. Thank you so much.
Hey SM faculty, this is Shivika Pava and I wanted to wish everyone a very warm and a happy Teachers Day. Teachers are not only our instructors but they are also our mentors and a direct source of inspiration. My personal favorites are Current Affairs faculty Abhay sir and Legal faculty Siddhi ma'am. Their dedication and passion in respective subjects helps build a bright future, not just for me but for my fellow SM students as well. Their unique art of making a safe and a relatable environment in our classroom and having an effective and an apt explanation for each and every subject is much appreciated. So let's come together on this auspicious occasion and thank them and other faculty members for their unwavering commitment. After all, they are our guiding light to our path of success. A happy Teachers' Day to everyone!
Hello everyone, happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Myself Vaibhav Chaudhary. Dear teachers, thank you very much to all of you for guiding me through my difficulties and helping me to become better day by day. I am very grateful to have all of you as my teachers. Teachers are the cornerstone of our society. They are the one who mold our character and inspire us to pursue our dream. Again, very happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day to all the faculty members. My favorite teacher is Siddhi ma'am because of her nature.
My favorite teacher is Avinash sir because he guides us for our future and gives us the best notes. And my second favorite teacher is Kritika ma'am and Pradeep sir because they encourages me and they always solve my problems related to my studies. And let us take the moment to thank all the teachers for their hard work, patience and endless efforts. Thank you and happy Teachers Day.
Hi, this is Trisha Arora from OSIL 11. I just want to wish everybody a very happy Teachers Day, especially Abhay sir. Thank you sir for making current affairs very easy, and I wish you a very happy Teachers Day once again. Thank you sir and everybody else.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। तो आज हम बात करेंगे सक्सेस मंत्रा के टीचर्स के बारे में। वैसे तो ओवरऑल सारे टीचर्स बहुत अच्छे हैं, बट पर्सनली मुझे कृतिका मैम बहुत अच्छी लगती है, बहुत ज़्यादा स्वीट है एंड मेरे ओपिनियन से वो मेरी फेवरेट टीचर है। बट एज सब्जेक्ट वाइज मुझे हमारे लॉजिकल रीजनिंग के सर राजेश सर उनका पढ़ाने का तरीका, जो पढ़ाते हैं मतलब हर एक चीज़ समझ आती है मुझे। पर्सनली एज ए सब्जेक्ट वो मेरे फेवरेट टीचर है। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे टू ईच एंड एवरी टीचर।
हाय, माई सेल्फ गर्व। वैसे तो सारी टीचर्स ही अच्छी होती हैं, बट माई फेवरेट इज़ माई मैथ्स टीचर गौरव सर। बिकॉज ऑफ हिज नाइस नेचर वो हमसे अच्छे से बात करते हैं, सब कुछ अच्छे से समझते हैं, हमें समझाते भी हैं। और द मेन थिंग इज़ कि जब पढ़ाना होता है तो पढ़ाने के टाइम वो बिल्कुल सीरियस होकर हमें पढ़ाते हैं, और जब ब्रेक टाइम या फ्री टाइम होता है तो वो सब कुछ बताते हैं, अपना समझते हैं, सारे डाउट्स क्लियर करते हैं। और बस सर बहुत बढ़िया है, अच्छे से सब कुछ करते हैं। थैंक यू सर, हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
I'm Nitya Raghuvanshi from Petampura batch. Education is the key to success and teachers are one who hold the key. I'm grateful to have a teachers like you. Off camera, Nancy ma'am, Mahesh sir, Ritika ma'am, Siddhi ma'am. On camera, Abhay sir, Manu Shri ma'am, Kanika ma'am, Avinash sir, Vikram sir and Gaurav sir. Through this video, I want to tell you that how big positive impact you have made in my life. On being the architect of knowledge, happy Teachers Day to all my adorable teachers.
One who remembers his own education, remembers the teacher, not the methods and not the techniques. I wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. All of our teachers are best in their own way because you all have your own style of teaching. You all help us to tackle the problem perfectly, and as we all say, the dream begins most of the time when you all believe in us. So thank you for believing in us. Thank you for helping us in each and every situation. Again, I wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Hi, I am Garima. Today I want to say something that thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always there for me. Thank you for always clearing my doubt. Thank you. Thank you to all my teachers that they always supporting me, motivating me and clearing my doubts. Manushri ma'am, Siddhi ma'am, Abhay sir, Ankit Sharma sir, Ankit Jha sir, Kanika ma'am, Ritika ma'am. Thank you all and happy Teachers Day to you all and stay connected. Lots of love to you.
Happy Teachers Day to all the lovely, guiding and helpful teachers at Success Mantra. I think this will be a common answer, but my favorite teacher is Abhay Singh sir. He's really great, very motivational, and his classes are always a fun thing. Those 2 hours are never, not even a single piece of boring, and always fun to learn and explore more with him. It has been a delight at Success Mantra. Thank you, everyone.
I would like to say a happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers of our faculty for guiding us through our journey. Thank you.
So, I am wishing you a happy Teachers' Day to all my mentors. Here, I am making this video for my cherished mentor Vivek sir, who teaches us maths. First of all, I would like to say that he is a very laborious teacher and he is a person who always helps us to acquire knowledge. And I would like to also say that he is a very good teacher and the way of his teaching is very nice. He is a very laborious kind of teacher. So his exceptional teaching, mentorship and dedication shaped me somewhere in maths. So once again, I am wishing you a very happy Teachers' Day to my one of the favorite and cherished mentor Vivek sir. Thank you.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। तो आज हम बात करेंगे हमारे सक्सेस मंत्रा के टीचर्स के बारे में। तो अगर मैं सबसे पहले बताऊँ मेरी पर्सनल फेवरेट टीचर तो कृतिका मैम है। बहुत ज़्यादा स्वीट हैं, बहुत हेल्पफुल हैं, बहुत काइंड हैं, बहुत अच्छी हैं। और अगर मैं सब्जेक्ट वाइज बात करूँ तो हमारे रीजनिंग के राजेश सर, मतलब वो बहुत अच्छे से हमें समझाते हैं, बहुत ही ईजीएस्ट वे में हमें क्वेश्चंस कराते हैं, लीगल के क्वेश्चंस। और मैथ्स के हमारे गौरव सर, वो हमें एक ही क्वेश्चन के 3-4 मेथड बता देते हैं ताकि हम ईजीएस्ट से ईजीएस्ट वे में हमारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकें। हमारे लीगल के पीयूष सर, वो बहुत अच्छे एग्जांपल्स देते हैं, हमें बहुत ज़्यादा एग्जांपल देते हैं ताकि हमारे दिमाग में बैठ सके चीज़ें, ताकि हम एग्ज़ाम में कंफ्यूज ना हो, हम अच्छे से क्वेश्चंस करें। तो हैप्पी टीचर्स डे टू ऑल।
Today I would like to say some lines for our teachers. Teachers like a mentor who help to become a student to good future leader. They teach us to be a good people. Just like our Kritika ma'am, she is very good and nice teacher. She always support us to move forward. Even all teachers. So thank you all teachers to become an important role in our lives.
And this video is for our branch manager Nancy ma'am. Ma'am, you don't teach us any subject, but you always guide us to go on the right path and help us to do right things. And what I feel is that Success Mantra cannot success without you, because you are the main operating unit of Success Mantra. Thank you ma'am for helping us. Happy Teachers Day.
A very good morning to all my faculties. I would like to start by wishing all my respected teachers a very happy Teachers Day. Special thanks to Mamta Mishra ma'am. Your guidance and wisdom have a made lasting impact on my life. Your dedication and passion for teaching have made a lasting impact on countless lives. Thank you ma'am.